Welcome to Nagarjuna Kadampa Meditation Centre's online teachings. The following video tutorial will teach you how to prepare your online streaming session. Up to 30 minutes before the teaching, you will receive an email from zoom.uk. Please also check your junk and spam folders for this email. The email confirmation will confirm the date and time of the teaching. Please check this information is correct and choose Click here to join. If you are prompted to accept the site's cookies, click Accept and Close. A download will automatically begin. Please ignore this download and click on Join from your browser. You will now be asked to agree to the Zoom Terms of Service. If you agree, please click I agree. Your setup is now complete, so please wait for your teachings to begin. At this point, you do not need to do anything else. Please keep this window open and the teachings will automatically begin at the specified time.